Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I am using these 2 little wood boxes I got from Hobby Lobby to create a couple of adorable tier tray frame signs. The first thing I did is I removed the tag, the string, and the hanger from the back of both of these little boxes. On the first one, I'm going to try this white gel stain. I've never used this before, so I wanted to give it a try. I used a makeup sponge from Dollar Tree to apply the gel to the bottom of the box. I then used Waverly antiquing wax on the sides and back of the box to bring out the beautiful wood grain in the boxes. I didn't like the way the white gel looked, so I went over it with Waverly stain. I'm going to sit it aside for a little to see how I like it. On the second box, I taped up the sides of the box with painter's tape and painted the inside bottom of the box using white chalk paint. After the white paint had dried, I removed the tape. I added more tape around the bottom edge of the box and used my utility knife to trim away any excess. I then applied Waverly antiquing wax to the box and rub the excess off with a paper towel. I removed the painter's tape again, but I noticed some of the wax had bled through, so I reapplied the tape around the inside edge again and just touched up some of the areas. And I used my hot air gun to dry the paint a little quicker. I think the next time I do this, I will apply the stain first and then the white chalk paint to avoid having to do this again. I found these cute SVG files on Design Bundle's website. I used my Cricut to cut them out. I will leave a link in the description below to their website. I have found a lot of really cute designs, and they also have a free section. You will definitely want to check that out. I used duck shelf liner as transfer paper and transferred the vinyl to the box. If you haven't heard me say it before, this is the best thing I have ever found for transferring vinyl. I'll leave a link to it in the description also. I used my hot air gun in the same way I use my iron to set the vinyl. After applying the vinyl, I then added a thin layer of Mod Podge to the entire piece to give the sign a finished look. I use gloss, but you can use matte if you want to. And now back to the first sign we started with. After the Waverly wax had dried, I liked the look, so I went ahead and started working on it. I used another SVG file from Design Bundles and cut out this adorable red truck design. I have found doing the layering prior to placing it onto the product is a lot easier for me. I placed the largest image first, the truck, onto the transfer paper. I then centered the wheels and placed them on the transfer paper. And last, I aligned the tree with the back of the truck and placed it on the transfer paper. I applied the design to the box and used my hot air gun to warm up the vinyl and give it more of a hand-painted look. The hot air gun works just like my iron does. I applied Mod Podge for a finished look. I used my hot air gun again to speed up the drying time for the Mod Podge. And just look at how adorable this sign turned out. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading new Christmas videos every week, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. To be notified when I upload a video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.